I'm Susan Wenger, and I've lived in Amarillo since the early 80s and think it's the best place on earth to be. Since the first time I volunteered for MAC, I saw behind the scenes goodness, quality, wholesomeness. My respect and honor for him grew as I got to know more and more about him up close. Being in the small business really made me so much more aware of how invasive our government is. And we have like 4 state agencies that look down our throat, and sometimes you get fearful of making money. You spend all of your time on compliance and, you know, doing this and that, and then your profit is secondary, and I just don't think that's right. And so many times I would see that about Mac Thornberry, that he was doing things that he thought was right, that he wanted to do because it was the right thing to do, not because it was politically expedient. He's got the DNA of leadership, and our country's desperate for it.